Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can resize any video without installing any software on your device. Now, in order to do it, all you need is just simply open any browser in your device. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for Clideo, which spells like CLIDEO.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter, and here you're gonna find this option which says resize. Just simply tap over there, and it will ask you to upload your video. Once you choose your file, it will give you options to resize the file. For example, if you have a 720p resolution file, it will generate a 1080p file or the 480p pixels file. So by this method you can easily resize any of the video file that you want, and without using any of the software or without paying anything. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.